Hey, how's it going, guys? Neiolytic here, back at it again with another PC build. This time, it's going to be a black and red AMD inspired build, and it'll be featuring the Inwin 303 mid tower case. First of all, the goal for this build is to make an eye candy of a PC that will also perform decent enough to run the newest games on the market currently. Since it's an AMD theme build, why not make the color scheme black and red combination, like AMD? Lastly, the budget. I will keep everything below $1,000. I chose the parts wisely considering all these conditions, and of course using only AMD parts. Anyway, all the parts will be in the description down below. And with that all said, let's start with a build. Yeah, but let's go! So what do you guys think about the build? Do you want to see a benchmark? Do you want to see a tutorial on how to build? Let me know in the comments below. Consider dropping a like as well if you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more PC builds in the future. That's gonna be it for this video, guys, and you will see me on the next one. Yeah, buddy!